bank holiday weekend and we're out again. Can't wait. 3 nights in the caravan. Really excited. We're going to Spring Valley. We did go here a couple of years ago, but I do believe that they've done quite a few adjustments to the site since we were last there, so looking forward to getting there. We've about 10 miles, 15 miles to go.
Something like that,
Yeah, so it's not too far, so we'll catch up with you when we get there. See you soon.
I'm in.
Yeah, you're in. So welcome to Spring Valley, guys. A couple of years since we've been here. Really nice site. We've got a lovely pitch. I'll show you around that. There's a lovely fishing pond, but unfortunately there's no fishing this weekend, and there hasn't been for a little while because they're doing many repairs to the pond. But the weather so far has been kinder than expected, so we're not complaining. We're managing to sit outside, which is lovely. So yeah, it's also Abbey's birthday weekend, isn't it, baby? You can have a birthday. Are you having a birthday? You like it, don't you? Yes, I know, I love you too. So yeah, it's a nice site. I'm not going to do an awful lot because we have vlogged this before. But yeah, really nice. So we've got an absolutely fabulous pitch here. In fact, it's the same pitch we had when we came here in the motorhome. Abby's just laying out on the grass, which she really likes. She can watch people coming and going from there. You running away now, Abby? She's letting me know she's there again. And just at the back of the pitch, we've got the pond area. And there is a new lodge they've built that you can hire out for a few days or a week. And it's called the Titanic, so you can imagine the theme of that. Also around the site there is plenty of picnic benches which you can sort of grab one and bring it to your pitch. Really useful, especially if there's a few of you. And just out to the side of the site you get the fields. What are you doing? Abby, what are you doing? So it's Sunday, we're in the pet shop because it's Abby's birthday. She's mega excited because there's loads of treats here on the shelf. I don't think Abby can make her mind up which treats she wants. I said we'd get her some treats and we'd get her a new toy for her birthday. Abby can sniff all the food out when we walk down this aisle. What's them?
Lamb puffs.
Lamb puffs. One of Abby's favourites is lamb. So we've just had a trip out to the garden centre.
Birthday girls run off.
Our birthday girl's just run out of the door again. But we're going to show you what we've just been to the garden centre come pet store to buy Abby. Abby, are you coming in? You're going to come and show everybody what you got for your birthday? No, she's staying out there, isn't she? Come on, are you coming in? So yeah, we've just let me get my bag. So we've bought her. Well, she's chosen, because Abby does choose her own toys. Who's in here? Come on then. So this is a little sheep.
You won't come past.
Get her in then.
Come on, Abby. Come on then.
Right. So yeah, Abby tends to choose her own toys, as I say. She's going to run off again.
No, come on, you Abby.
She's got a new
See
little.
what Mama's got.
She's got a new little bowl that we have one of these, but we thought we'd get a second one because they're quite useful for when we're out and about, and she can have water in one and her food in the other, so they're really useful. And it says, "You threw it, you fetch it." Yeah, Abby's quite good at that because she don't bring the ball back very often, does she? And then she's got some lamb puffs, and she does like lamb, so.
Yeah.
And she's also got a knuckle bone because she does love a good chew on a bone. What's this?
Oh, she likes the sniff of that.
I'll put it down here for you. Knuckle bone.
Oh,
And
yeah.
she's also got, we spent a bit too much here really. Donut. A doggy donut. Don't know what's in that, but it's possibly chicken flavour.
I might eat that if you don't have it.
And then she got some doggy chocolates.
Don't get mixed up with yours, love.
I haven't got any of these, but they are nice. The white ones with the little dots on, aren't
Yeah,
they?
yeah.
The little chocolates. So, but these are dark chocolate, brown chocolate. So she's got them as well. And Abby's favourite thing to play with, a ball, which is really heavy. It's solid, basically because give Abby a tennis ball and it's gone in about 30 seconds in it because she's burst it, and it's got a thing on it, and we can just throw it down the beach for her when we go to the beach. So them's
She's not very
Abby's
impressed with
birthday present. She's not very impressed with anything. I think the camera's actually on the tripod in the corner of the awning at the minute, and for some reason, as you know, Abby's scared of everything, and she's actually frightened at the minute of the tripod. So, but we just thought we'd show you because it's birthday girl and she's 3 today, aren't you? You're 3 today.
and everybody
Yes.
still thinks she's a puppy.
Yes, they did. Even in the pet shop they thought you were a puppy, didn't they? Hey, thought you were a puppy. I couldn't believe you were 3. Hey, so yeah, Abby's birthday treats. Are you going to eat your bone?
And she said to me she wants me to go to the pub with her.
No, I don't think she did.
She did?
It's a long walk to the pub, you know.
No, she just said, can I go to the pub?
Well, you and Abby go to the pub. I'm all right here.
Yeah, in the car.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's about it, I think, for Abby's birthday treats, isn't it?
Yeah.